Namaskar. First and foremost thing that I will be teaching you is that Vajrasan. This asana can be learnt even when you are a beginner to yoga and see that results instantly. Vajrasan can be done anywhere, anytime, even after having a meal, and by anyone irrespective of their age or gender. So this Vajrasan, I will explain to you what happens exactly inside our body while we sit in Vajrasan. First and foremost thing that happens inside our body while we sit in Vajrasan is that it improves blood flow in our abdominal area and our pelvic area. When it improves the blood flow in our abdominal area, you can see the digestive fire increase rapidly. And it helps sort out the problems related to pelvis and organs in the pelvis, both for male and female. Second thing that happens when we sit in Vajrasan is that it improves venous outflow, venous output from the lower part of the body, thus helping cardiac function, thus aiding heart function and preventing the problem known as varicose veins. And the third thing is that in Vajrasan, there is a specific technique that can be included that I will be teaching you. When we do that technique, heaviness in the abdomen, heaviness after having a meal, and bloatedness will instantly be relieved. You will see burps coming after you do that technique and feel lighter and lighter. And see the digestive fire, digestive power become so high, never experienced before. Fourth thing that happens when we get habited to sitting in Vajrasan is that the range of motion problem pertaining to inhibition in range of motion of the knee joint will never be there. And in lower part of the body, there will be good flexibility, good increase in flexibility. The fifth thing is that it helps increase the testosterone production. You can see in males, the testicles hang outside the body as it requires lower temperature compared to other parts of the body. You think and see when we sit in a chair, a sofa or a cushion, the testicles will be pushed up. The testicles will touch the ground or touch the floor. But in Vajrasan, the testicles hang freely in the air, thus helping testosterone production. The main benefit related to Vajrasan that my gurus always tell is that it helps thicken the sexual vital fluid. The sexual vital fluid then turns into ojas. It is not a excreta. It is not just like a spit that in most books or in Google you tend to see. It has the potency to turn one's life miraculously. So this sexual vital fluid should be in thick condition. Vajrasan helps to do that. In the upcoming video lesson, I will tell you how to properly sit in Vajrasan, how to sit in Vajrasan for longer hours, and the technique that I will be teaching you to relieve gas and bloating and heaviness after a meal instantly. Stay connected to the next lesson. Thank you. Varha Valamudan.